What if I told you that the military ID in your wallet or that DD-214 in your files could unlock a completely free cruise? I'm not talking about a small discount or a drink coupon. I'm talking about a 100% no strings attached, absolutely free vacation. It's a real benefit, yet most service members, veterans, and their families have no idea it even exists. Let's be honest, the world of military travel benefits is intentionally confusing. It's a maze of fine print, special codes, and eligibility rules that change so often it feels like a full-time job just keeping up. Most people just give up. They figure the military discount is a token 5% off, barely enough for a souvenir. So they book their vacations at full civilian price, leaving hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on the table. They see ads for Caribbean cruises or Alaskan voyages and assume it's a luxury they can't afford. What they don't see are the secret handshakes and hidden programs reserved just for those who have served. Well, that ends today. I'm about to show you the massive, often secret savings offered by the top cruise lines. We're talking everything from free cash to spend on the ship to huge discounts that can cut your family's dream vacation in half. And if you stick with me to the very end, I will reveal the one cruise line that gives away a truly free cruise. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about claiming the rewards you've rightfully earned. This is the definitive guide to unlocking the true power of your military benefits. All right, let's start off with one of the biggest names out there, Carnival Cruise Line. While it's not the free cruise line I mentioned, their commitment to military appreciation is second to none. Carnival sails more military members than any other cruise line, partly because of their genuine commitment to the military. This isn't just a slogan, it's part of their onboard experience. On every single cruise, on every ship, they host a dedicated military appreciation gathering. This event is a powerful moment to honor US and Canadian service members and connect with fellow military families. The appreciation doesn't stop there. At every gathering, Carnival presents a special hero coin to the longest serving military member in the room, and everyone in attendance gets a commemorative pin. It's a level of recognition that goes far beyond a simple discount and shows a real, heartfelt thanks for your service. And you're still guaranteed to save. Carnival offers an exclusive military rate on most sailings that provide significant savings. This applies to active duty, retirees, and veterans with a DD-214. The real power move is to stack these rates with Carnival's other sales. Imagine putting a military discount on top of a 40% off promo with a bonus that lets your kids sail for free. A week-long Caribbean cruise for a family of four that might have seemed like a $3,000 trip can suddenly become an astonishingly affordable vacation for under $1,500. For a budget-conscious military family, Carnival's combination of heartfelt recognition and stackable discounts makes them an unbeatable first stop. While Carnival delivers the heartfelt welcome, Royal Caribbean brings a different but equally powerful value. Massive savings for families on some of the most action-packed ships at sea. If you're dreaming of taking your kids to Alaska or a grand European tour, your military ID has a golden ticket here. Royal Caribbean offers reduced rates for military personnel on select sailings. This discount covers a wide range of people: active duty, veterans, retirees from US and Canadian forces, and even spouses of deployed personnel. The discount itself is good, but the real power is in stacking it with other massive promotions. This is where the savings get wild. Picture this. Royal Caribbean is running a wave season deal of 60% off your second guest and a kids sail free promotion. On top of that, there's an instant savings offer up to $800. As a military member, you can often stack your exclusive rate right on top of all of that. A 7-night family cruise on a massive Oasis-class ship, a floating city of water slides, zip lines, and Broadway shows could easily cost over $4,000 for a family of four. By layering these promos, you could realistically slash that price to under $2,000. That's a monumental saving, but it's still not that free vacation we're hunting for. Stick around. Now, what if your idea of a perfect vacation involves more wine tastings and fewer water slides? If you're looking for an elevated experience, gourmet dining, sophisticated spaces, and a relaxed, upscale vibe, welcome to Celebrity Cruises. And your military service is the key to accessing this premium world for a lot less than you think. Celebrity Cruises offers a straightforward military savings program. You get $25 per person for an interior or ocean view room, and that jumps to $100 per person for a veranda, concierge class, or aqua class stateroom. So, for a couple booking a balcony room, which is the sweet spot on Celebrity, that's an instant $200 off. Eligibility is broad, covering active, retired, and veteran members of the US and Canadian military. The beauty of this discount is its simplicity and how it stacks with other offers. Celebrity often runs perks included promotions with free drink packages, Wi-Fi, and onboard credit. Being able to combine your military savings on top of all of that is where the value truly shines. That $200 you saved might not seem like a fortune, but think of it as Celebrity buying you a round of premium cocktails. It's a perfect way to access a premium experience, but we're still chasing that elusive free cruise. If you hate the idea of fixed dining times and formal nights, Norwegian Cruise Line and its freestyle cruising concept are for you. They offer a relaxed resort-style atmosphere, and their military appreciation program makes that freedom even sweeter. NCL offers a direct 10% discount on cruise fares for a wide array of service members, including active duty, reserves, veterans, and retirees from all US and Canadian branches. A straight 10% off is a huge savings on its own. That's an immediate $300 back in your pocket on, say, a $3,000 cruise. But NCL's real value comes from combining that discount with their wildly popular Free at Sea promotion. This is the game changer. Free at Sea lets you choose several free perks like an unlimited open bar, free specialty dining, shore excursion credit, and Wi-Fi. The open bar alone can be worth over $800 per person. Suddenly, your military status unlocked a total value package easily worth over $1,000. This is an incredible all-inclusive value, but believe it or not, the best deal is yet to come. For a long time, cruising catered mostly to families and retirees. Then Virgin Voyages came along with its rebellious Luxe adults-only experience that completely redefined cruising. For service members looking for a kid-free escape, Virgin's military discount makes this trendy vacation an unbeatable deal. Virgin's military and first responders appreciation offer provides a discount of up to 15% off the voyage fare on select sailing. What makes this offer so spectacular is that Virgin encourages you to stack it with their other major promotions, like 75% off the second sailor's fare, plus hundreds of dollars in free drinks. Picture it, a $4,000 vacation could drop to well under $2,000 for the couple, and you might still get a bar tab thrown in. That's over $2,000 in value, directly rewarding you for your service. This is how you get a trendy, adults-only escape for a steal. But we're not done yet. The free cruise is still on the horizon. If your travel dreams involve the Mediterranean or Northern Europe, and you want to bring the whole family, MSC Cruises should be at the top of your list. This European cruise line is known for its beautiful modern ships, and its military discount is one of the most family-friendly out there. MSC offers a tiered discount, up to 10% off balcony, suite, and MSC Yacht Club staterooms. What makes this so powerful is that you can apply your military discount to multiple staterooms on the same booking. But MSC's most valuable military benefit might be its peace of mind policy. They offer a 100% future cruise credit if you have to cancel because of redeployment or revoked leave. For military families dealing with unpredictability, this policy is worth its weight in gold. It removes the financial risk from planning, but it's not the free cruise I promised. We're getting very close though, just hang in there. For many, the best perk isn't a discount on the fare, but free money to spend on the ship. This is where Princess Cruises shines, rewarding military members with generous onboard credit. Instead of a percentage discount, Princess offers a tiered onboard credit for US and Canadian personnel. You can get up to $250 in onboard credit depending on the length of your cruise. Here's how it shapes up. Sailing 6 nights or less, you get $50 in onboard credit. 7 to 13 nights, $100 in onboard credit. And 14 nights or longer, you get the generous $250 in onboard credit. And what's even better? This is per eligible passenger. Princess classifies eligible passengers as active duty, veterans, and disabled personnel. What's great is this credit is combinable with virtually all of Princess's other sails. On a 14-day trip, that $250 credit could cover a couple of shore excursions or a spa treatment. It's like getting a thank you bonus that you can spend however you choose. But a bonus isn't a free ticket. That's coming up. Holland America line is known for classic elegance and destination-focused trips. For the military member who is more of an explorer than a partier, their offer is a simple, valuable thank you. Similar to their sister company, Princess, Holland America's primary benefit is a $100 onboard credit per stateroom for active duty, retired, and veteran military personnel on every new booking. That $100 credit could mean taking a hands-on cooking class or simply covering your gratuities for the week. This offer gets even better when you combine it with Holland America's Have It All package. It's a simple, elegant reward, but we're looking for the ultimate reward. And you're not gonna want to miss this next section. For military families, a Disney cruise is often the ultimate vacation goal. It's where Disney magic meets the adventure of the high seas. But that magic usually comes with a premium price. This is where your military service becomes your most valuable tool. Disney Cruise Line offers special military rates on select sailings, which can be a very significant discount. These rates are for a limited number of staterooms on specific dates, so flexibility is key. The real headline for 2026, though, is a special offer tied to America's 250th anniversary. For eligible sailings on the Disney Wish and the Disney Dream in 2026, military members will receive a $250 onboard credit per reservation. And the most magical part? This $250 credit can be stacked on top of the already discounted military cruise fare. A military rate could knock 10 to 20% off, saving you $700 to $1,400. Then you get another $250 in credit. Your military ID could easily save you nearly $2,000. It's the most magical discount at sea, but now it's time for the one you've been waiting for, the free cruise, Margaritaville at Sea. Okay, this is the moment that I've been teasing throughout this entire video. The 100% no strings attached, absolutely free vacation. Sometimes you just need a quick, fun escape. And that's the philosophy behind the Margaritaville at Sea and their Heroes Sail Free program, one of the most generous offers in the industry. Yes, you heard that right, free. Through their partnership with GovX, Margaritaville at Sea offers a free cruise fare for military members and one guest on select 2 to 7 night sailings to the Bahamas. The Heroes Sail Free program is a thank you to military members, veterans, first responders, and educators. While you still pay taxes, fees, and port expenses, the cruise fare for you and another person in your stateroom is completely waived. This is an incredible deal for a quick getaway. You verify your status through GovX and you can book your free sailing online. Keep in mind, the free offer is for interior rooms on select dates and they fill up fast, so book in advance. If you want to upgrade or the free sailings are already booked, they also offer a 20% discount on any retail fare anytime. This isn't a luxury, all-inclusive experience. It's a budget-friendly, party-centric cruise in the spirit of Jimmy Buffett. But when the main cost of that escape is zero, it's an unbeatable value. For the service member who just wants to get away for a few days, the Heroes Sail Free program is a genuine thank you that translates into a real, value-packed vacation. As you can see, the world of military cruise discounts is vast, valuable, and honestly, a little complicated. Comparing a 10% discount from NCL with a free at sea against a $250 onboard credit from Princess on top of a 40% off sale can feel like you need a degree in advanced math. It's easy to make a mistake and leave money on the table. That's where I come in. As a travel advisor who specializes in military benefits, my job is to navigate this world for you. I know the ins and outs of these programs, which codes to use, and which promotions can be stacked. My goal is to make sure you get the absolute maximum value for your service and the lowest possible price for your dream vacation. If you're a service member, veteran, or military spouse thinking about a cruise, don't try to do it alone. There's a link in the description where you can contact me directly. It costs you nothing. Let me handle the headache of the fine print so you can focus on the fun part, planning what you'll do with all the money you saved. So there you have it. From a completely free cruise on Margaritaville at Sea to thousands in savings on premium lines like Virgin Voyages and Disney. Your military ID is so much more than a piece of plastic. It's a key. It's a key that unlocks experiences you and your family might have thought were out of reach. It's proof that your service is recognized and valued. Cruising is about the time you spend with loved ones, the memories you create, and the chance to decompress from the stresses of military life. These discounts are designed to make that essential time off more accessible and more rewarding. Don't ever assume a military discount is just a token gesture. Dig deeper, ask questions, and most importantly, use the benefits you have earned. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly family trip, a luxurious adults-only escape, or a grand voyage across the world, there's a cruise line with a special offer waiting for you. Thank you for your service and thank you for watching. And as always, safe travels.